Hi guys, today I'm going to show you my nail care routine. As you know, I always use a peel off base coat but end up having these marks around the corners of my nails. So first off, I'll start by cleaning them. Step 1. Start off with a non-acetone polish remover so that it won't harm or spoil your nail in any way. As you can see, my nails are now clean and healthy without any dryness which is caused by acetone removers. The next step is to take some warm water in a bowl and a spoonful of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps our nails to grow. A bit of glycerin and a dab of baking powder, because my life is a mess without baking powder. It whitens our nails, brightens them, and makes your life much healthier. So put your nails in the solution for a while, let it soak. The next step is taking them out and washing them with a good hand wash, a mild one. The next step is to push the cuticles a bit back. This time I'm not cutting the cuticles because I don't think they are much. And can you see the difference? My nails are whiter now because of apple cider vinegar and baking soda. I use glycerin to soften the water. Other than that, the next step I do is I put my own homemade DIY cuticle oil on the cuticles and massage my nails for 5 minutes. Now that I have massaged my nails with cuticle oil, the final step is to use Nivea cream. I use this cream as a hand cream and I put it on all over my hands whenever I wash them so that my cuticles are never dry. And that, my friends, is the final result of how I take care of my nails. I do this once in a week so that my nails are healthy, strong, long and white. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.